Got a lush lawn after a good watering? Time for a trim, and the Luba 2 is the smart, revolutionary mower you need. Priced at $3,000, the Luba 2 AWD 5000 model gets your lawn in shape without breaking a sweat. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just 18 minutes, 10 times faster than its rivals. This device is the real deal and can cover half a hectare while handling slopes of up to 38 degrees. The Luba 2 remembers 30 work zones, navigates around obstacles, and responds to voice commands through Alexa and Google Home. The only drawback is that it won't brew your coffee, but who knows what the next versions might bring. Set up the auto unit, connect the hoses, and define the watering zone. Then kick back and relax. The future of lawn care has arrived. AO efficiently directs water even in oddly shaped watering zones. Plus, it's weather savvy, preventing overwatering or parched lawns with its zigzag watering pattern. It ensures even coverage. One unit covers 260 square meters and goes for $470. The company also offers liquid fertilizers, insect repellent, and odor management solutions. Just load them into the auto when you're good to go. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning. That's the magic of Bisser, this coffee brewer alarm clock. It might sound a bit strange, but it's a game changer. When you wake up, your coffee is getting ready, brewed at the perfect 94 degrees Celsius. Plus, it even comes with the world's tiniest fridge for your milk that works thanks to the Peltier effect. It can hold up to 3 portions. This fantastic gadget is priced at $331, and there are versions with both European and American plugs. Now meet the Sweepovac team. They're bringing the future of cleaning to your doorstep. They've cracked the code on an age-old problem: how to clean up without hauling around a hefty vacuum cleaner. Here's their idea: you install this vacuum system under, let's say, the cupboard, and you're all set. There are 2 ways it works: either sweep debris towards it and it sucks it up, or attach a hose for a vacuum cleaner-like experience. Once done, just toss the trash from the reusable bag. The Big Kick version covers 110 square meters, making it a perfect fit even for mobile homes. The price is $269. Now, digital keys are something interesting too. Imagine a door lock with a SIM card inside. It works with digital keys, sends alerts, and even sets off an alarm if something's wrong. The best part is that it fits right on top of your regular lock. No price on their website yet, but the SIM card subscription is $3 per month. While we are sleeping in the past, Magniflex customers are sleeping in the future thanks to their Magni SmartTech smart beds. These beds not only offer comfort but also give sleep quality recommendations. Magni SmartTech keeps tabs on a bunch of stuff like your breathing rate, noise level, and room temperature. Why? Well, if you start snoring, for example, the bed changes the mattress position to help stop it. And when the alarm goes off, it lifts the top part a bit and adds some vibration. Pretty cool, huh? Now brace yourself because this wonder bed will set you back about $220,000. The body-front Phantom Room massage chair comes with a hefty price tag of $122,000. Apparently, it's pricier than a Formula One car seat. So what are buyers getting for their money? Well, before the massage kicks in, the chair does a quick 15-second body scan to make sure all the air pockets work just right. And there are a bunch of them, 24 for your arms alone. You can even play some tunes because the chair has built-in speakers and Bluetooth. If that's not enough, there's infrared heating and over 40 massage programs. It's even recommended for athletes. Would you buy one for yourself? If you want your house to be a super secure fortress, you no longer need moats or boiling oil pots. Now it's all about high-tech secure RAM switches. They let you control your home lights via Wi-Fi from anywhere, and a simple voice or laser command does the trick. If you walk into a room, the lights go on. Each switch is priced at $46. F50U creates products that make life better in a smart way. Think about escalators. They're handy but kind of big, right? What if we could make them more compact? Well, check this out, an elevator that can carry up to 150 kilograms. It fits into almost any building without needing a major staircase overhaul, and if there are lots of floors, it links up into a smart chain. When one platform moves, the next one automatically comes closer. It seems simple, but F50U has even filed a patent. As for the price, they're keeping it a secret for now. Check out Trema subwoofers. They can be seamlessly built into your walls, delivering amazing sound. This is the result of 1.5 years of effort from the Trueaudio team. Thanks to the 25cm woofers, the bass is both smooth and powerful, giving you some seriously good vibrations. Thanks to the unique design, the sound is directed forward without any distortion. Sadly, that means that you won't make your neighbors shudder too. The tremor packs 250 watts of power and comes with an easy mount frame.